Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the image. Open the portrait file and check resolution so you know how much width you have to work with. Once done, change the canvas orientation to the landscape aspect you want, such as 16:9, and duplicate the background layer so you can always revert. Make sure to place the subject off-center slightly if you plan to extend or fill edges. This gives you room to work while keeping composition balanced and prevents loss of key details. Now you extend the portrait into landscape. Select the empty canvas edges and apply content-aware fill to generate plausible background. Content-aware works fast and preserves texture, but you may need manual fixes. If the subject needs repositioning, duplicate and warp the subject layer. Use masks to hide hard edges. Once blended, refine transitions with clone stamp and soft brushes, and adjust color/lighting globally so the filled area matches the original. These steps make the expansion look natural and consistent. Finish by matching final details. Apply subtle sharpening to the subject and add matching noise or grain to the newly generated areas so texture aligns. Once satisfied, flatten a copy for export at full resolution and save the layered file for future tweaks. If seams or artifacts appear, rerun content-aware fill on problem zones, tweak color balance and curves, or redo cloning with smaller brushes. This troubleshooting loop fixes mismatches and ensures your portrait-to-landscape conversion looks intentional and polished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.